You won't believe how powerful this $600 gaming PC is. Basically, you will be able to play modern games at 1440p resolution with high settings with this build. Let's get started. So in this build for the processor, our pick is AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. This one costs around $149, and the primary reason for choosing this processor is it's a 6-core 12-thread processor which comes with up to 4.6 GHz boost clock speed, which will give you an excellent performance in gaming. And also for this price, it's an unbeatable deal. Then for the motherboard, our pick is Asus Prime B550 Plus. This one costs $132. Now for this price, you are going to get an ATX motherboard which comes with 4 RAM slot, 2 M2 slot. One of them are PCIe Gen 4 supported, which is currently the fastest NVMe SSD technology on the market, and also it comes with decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section. So overall, it's an excellent motherboard in this price. Then now comes the main components of a gaming PC build, the graphics card, and we are using the XFX Radeon RX 6600. It costs only $209, and this is a super budget friendly but powerful graphics card. With this graphics card, you will be able to play modern games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings with more than 60 plus FPS, which is a superb deal in this price. Then for the RAM, our pick is Silicon Power DDR4 32GB. It costs only $50. Now each of them are 16GB, so in total there will be 32GB, and those RAMs just works absolutely fine with any build. So in this price, it's an excellent deal. Then for the storage, our pick is Western Digital Black 1TB. This one costs around $54. As you can see, it has excellent reviews on Amazon, and also this SSD has up to 5000 Mbps read-ready speed, which will give your PC a super fast experience. And for the power supply, our pick is Thermaltake Tough Power 80 Plus Gold Certified 600 watt power supply. It costs only $66, and also it comes with 5-year plus warranty. So overall in this price, it's an excellent deal. And finally for the casing, it's completely up to you, buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $660 without the casing, and it will give you the best performance for your money. Thanks for watching.